So you bought a brand new Galaxy S26 Ultra. Nice. Let me ask you this. Are you a fan of this feature? Exactly. Me neither. Who would have thought, right? So today we're going to be checking out three different cases from Tongate, which not only solve the Wobblegate issue that we have going on here, but also have some pretty cool features built right into them, all while being rugged and ready for anything. But before we do that, do me a solid, hit that like and subscribe button so your YouTube feed stays just as stable as your Galaxy S26 Ultra. And with that being said, let's get into the review. All right, let's kick things off with the Tongate magnetic case for the Galaxy S26 Ultra. You can grab this from Tongate's website or over on Amazon for right around $26 to $30, depending on the color you're going to go with. Today we're going to be looking at the black version here, but they also offer it in a blue, green, red, and a really cool translucent orange color option. Now, if you're anything like me, you've probably spent way too much time trying to awkwardly lean your phone against a coffee mug to watch a YouTube video, only to have it slide flat down a minute later. That's exactly why this case caught my eye. Tongate built a flush, heavy-duty kickstand right into the bottom half of this case. You just pull it out and it securely props up the phone in both portrait and landscape modes. Now, this isn't going to be some cheap, flimsy stand either. It's a solid piece of metal with a super stiff hinge, so it's not going to collapse on you while you're tapping or scrolling on your phone. And when it comes to the overall design and build of this case, Tongate struck a really nice balance here. It's a single layered rugged case, but they kept the profile slim enough that it won't fight you when you're putting it into your pocket. The back panel rocks a really nice matte finish here, which is a huge win for keeping those annoying, pesky fingerprints away. And since we're dealing with a massive phone, the grip is incredibly important. They've added a textured dimpled rubber pattern along the sides, so it feels completely locked into your hand. Now let's talk about the buttons. You guys know I have a strong preference for clicky buttons on my cases, and there's nothing worse than a mushy volume rocker on a rugged case. Tongate totally delivered here though. You get a very satisfying sharp snap every single time you press the buttons. They do have a smooth finish to them rather than being textured, which would have been a nice addition to this case. For protection, this case is built to take a beating. It pairs that hard polycarbonate back with a shock absorbing TPU bumper, and all the four corners are going to be heavily reinforced to act like shock absorbers for your phone. There's also a generous amount of lip protecting the front display and the deep cutout around the cameras so your lenses never touch the table. I actually have camera lens protectors installed on my phone right now and everything fits perfectly fine. Down below, the cutouts for the USB-C port and the S Pen are precise and easily accessible. And as for charging, the magnetic ring on the back is loaded with N52 magnets. It snaps aggressively onto magnetic wireless chargers, wallets, or any car mount that you might have. But there's going to be one little catch. It works perfectly as long as your accessories don't overlap the camera island or the metal kickstand on the bottom, as it kind of sticks out. Now, Tongate smartly left the bottom part of the camera cutout open since this has been an ongoing issue with the design of the S26 Ultra this year, but just keep in mind that older accessories that you might be bringing over from a previous Ultra phone or an iPhone might not sit perfectly flush for this case. Now, if you're not a huge fan of bulky cases and want something a little more sleek with some really flashy colors, our sponsor for today's video, Casekoo, might have some really tempting options for you guys. Let's start with the Matte Magic Stand Pro case for the Galaxy S26 Ultra, which features this premium matte finish all over the sides and the back to keep those pesky fingerprints away from your phone. It also features airbag corners while having a 16-foot drop protection rating and buttons that have a very satisfying click to them. But the real deal is going to be the flush aircraft grade aluminum kickstand on the back, which has been tested over 45,000 times, so you don't have to. Pop it open for portrait or landscape viewing and snap it shut for seamless Qi 2 magnetic wireless charging. And there's a color for everyone, from the super cool purple that we have here to a black, to a light blue, and a natural white color. And then we have the titanium Magic Stand Pro for both the Galaxy S26 Ultra and the iPhone 17 Pro Max. Now, if you want your device to pop, this case is gonna be it. I'm rocking this orange over my silver iPhone 17 Pro Max, and this looks super cool. And then I have this purple color for the S26 Ultra, and they look great in my opinion. Casekoo swapped the textured grip for a super sleek, smooth finish on the sides, but they also kept those clicky buttons. It features airbag corners, military grade drop protection, and an aerospace grade titanium alloy hinge that's been tested over 50,000 times. So it's built like a tank for all your viewing angles and still packs N58 magnets for MagSafe and Qi 2 fast wireless charging. A huge shout out to Casekoo for sponsoring this portion of the video. If you want to pick any of these cases up for your S26 Ultra or your iPhone 17 Pro Max, the links are going to be right in the description below. Now let's get back to the rest of the video. All right, moving on to case number 2. This is the Tongate 360-degree spin magnetic case for the Galaxy S26 Ultra. You're looking at right around $30 to $35 over on Amazon, depending on colors you're gonna go with. Now we actually have this clear matte finish with a dark gray kickstand, but they did also send us the green version here to check out. And if the green isn't your thing, it also comes in black, blue, gold, and an all orange variant as well. And like always, I'll have the links down in the descriptions so you can check out the current pricing and see what colors are in stock on Amazon. Now let's jump right into the main feature of this case, which is going to be that 360-degree rotating magnetic ring on the back that also doubles as a kickstand. You can slip your finger through it to use it as a super secure ring holder, or you can fold it out and use it as a kickstand. And since it spins all the way around, you can dial it in at the exact viewing angle that you need, whether you're going to be setting it down in portrait or landscape mode. And a huge bonus here when you fold that ring flat and lay the phone down on the desk is going to be that it doesn't really wobble at all with this case on. Looking at the rest of the design and build of this case, it's going to be a 2-layer case. You get the rugged back shell featuring a really nice matte finish that does an excellent job to keep those fingerprints at bay, and you get these 2 front frames inside the box. One has a built-in screen protector, so your entire device is going to be completely sealed up, and the other frame is going to be without the screen protector in case you want to use a tempered glass screen protector instead, which is exactly how I have it set up here. Now, since this case adds a bit more armor, the grip's going to be super important. Tongate kept the sides relatively slim and added some nice textured gripping points along the edges so it doesn't feel like you're gonna be holding a bulky brick. And as a result, it stays firmly planted in your hand. When it comes to buttons, I'm happy to report that they deliver some really nice clicky feedback. Again, they do have this smooth finish to them, which I'm not a huge fan of, but at least they still give you that nice crisp snap when pressed. For protection, this thing's gonna be built like a tank. It offers military grade drop protection with heavy duty shock absorption in all 4 corners. And if you accidentally drop it, the impact is going to be absorbed by that dual layer design before it even reaches your phone. You're fully covered on the front with a decent lip around the screen, and on the back, there's a generous raised lip going all the way around the camera island to keep those lenses safe from scratches. And as you guys can see here, the case fits perfectly fine around those camera lenses, even if you have individual camera lens protectors installed like I have. Speaking of keeping it safe while you're going to be on the move, Tongate actually includes a heavy-duty 360-degree rotating belt clip holster right inside the box with this case. If you're going to be working out in the yard or a job site, or you're going to be going on a hike and just hate having a massive phone taking up all the space in your pocket, you can snap the phone right into the holster face down. It gives you that maximum screen protection, keeps your pockets totally empty, and still provides easy access to your device at all times. And finally, when it comes to charging, the 360-degree spin ring is fully MagSafe compatible. It's packed with a strong N52 magnet, so it locks onto your magnetic wireless chargers, car mounts, or wallets with a really aggressive hold to give you those fast Qi 2 wireless charging speeds. It fits most accessories with no problems at all, even the bulky ones, with no overlapping issues with the camera bump here. So that was a 360 spin magnetic stand case from Tongate for the Galaxy S26 Ultra. Now let's look at the final option. All right, bringing it home with case number 3. This is the Tongate Mech series case for the Galaxy S26 Ultra. You can grab this one over on Amazon for right around $25 to $36. As always, the links are down in the description below so you can check out the current pricing and the different color options available. I really dig the design on this one. I think it looks really nice in this all black option. It has a super futuristic design to it, featuring a really cool pattern on the back with these red accents, plus a nice faux carbon fiber detail right under the hinge on the back. The main selling point for this case is going to be the foldable camera cover. Now, if you work in a dusty shop or any dusty environment and you just hate constantly wiping fingerprints off your lenses before taking a picture, this cover on the back is a fantastic touch for keeping the cameras totally clean and protected. Looking at the overall build, it keeps that solid dual layer design that we saw, and they also include two front frames inside the box with this case. One's going to have a built-in screen protector and one without it, so you have the freedom to run your own tempered glass screen protector. Down at the bottom, the cutouts for the USB-C port and the S Pen are perfectly precise and easy to get to. Now let's talk about the back of this case for a second because there's a lot going on here. You've got that hinge with that built-in magnetic ring. The magnets on this are really strong. They snap onto your wireless chargers or your magnetic accessories with a solid grip, and they actually keep the phone charging consistently even if the hinge is not perfectly flush on the back, as you guys can see here. The hinge also doubles as your kickstand, but here is a really cool trick that I noticed. You can actually use the sliding camera cover in combination with the hinge to stabilize the phone even better when you have it propped up in landscape orientation. It gives it a much wider base and keeps the phone steady. Now, there are a few trade offs with this Mech series case as well. First is going to be the wobble. It's not perfect when you lay it flat on the desk, and compared to the first two cases we looked at, there's definitely a little more rockage going on over here. When it comes to the grip, the sides actually don't have a textured pattern this time around. They're relatively smooth, so while it offers decent protection, you don't get that locked in feeling from those rubberized, dimpled edges like we saw in the other two cases before it. And then we have to talk about those buttons. Unfortunately, the buttons on this case feel a bit squishy and they aren't going to be textured either. So if you're a stickler for a premium button feel like I am, it's a bit of a letdown. But to end on a positive note, just like the case before it, Tongate includes a heavy duty 360-degree rotating belt clip holster right inside the box. So if you're going to be taking this out to a job site where you actually might need that sliding camera cover, snapping the phone face down into the holster gives you that maximum screen protection and keeps your pockets totally empty. Overall, if you love that futuristic mechanical aesthetic and you want to make absolutely sure your cameras are sealed off from the elements, this case is going to be a very capable, rugged option for you. All right, guys, so that wraps up our look at these three cases from Tongate for your Galaxy S26 Ultra. Tongate definitely brought some really solid, rugged options to the table this year. Let me know down in the comments below which one of these is going to be your favorite and which one you'd actually throw on your phone. And remember, if you do decide to pick one of these up, or you just want to check out the current prices and color options, make sure to use those links down in the description below. It's at no extra cost to you, but it really helps support the channel so I can keep bringing you guys reviews like this. Shout out to Tongate for sending these cases for review. Thanks for hanging out with me today, and I'll catch you guys in the next one very soon. Later.